Okay guys, oh, tingnan mo to. Oh. Luto ng aking ano yan. Ang aking suman. Oh, see? Matagal na akong hindi nakakain ito. Kailang kulang yung dahon. Ay, wow! Ang husay ko, oh. Wow! Tingnan mo yan, oh. 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 ang husay ko. Lasahan natin. Tingnan natin. Ang ano yan. Oh my goodness. Ang sarap. Yan. Natuto ako nito, kamama. Kamama. Yan. Ito ang kasiyahan ko. Kumain. Kumain ng kumain. Diba? Sarap kumain. Pag hindi ka na, oh. Ay, wow. Oh, see? Oh. Ang laki niya, no? ang laking ano, ang laki ng, husay. Yum. Maano ako ng aking, ano yan. Tawagin ko na ang aking anak. You want some? Huh? Are you there? Busy. Okay, makuha ako ng aking, ano yan. Ito ang aking, ano yan. Ang husay ko magluto. Tingnan mo. Oh, ito ang aking, ano yan. Ito ay, coconut sugar. Ay, coconut sugar. Organic. See? Hindi ito totoong asukal. Ano ito? Oh, see? Kain tayo, guys. Yan. Ang sarap. Sarap talaga. Yeah. Tingnan mong dahon na ito, oh, see? Dahon. Dito, ang dahon dito ay, ano yan? Gold. Bibilihin mo. Sa sunod, mabili ako ng mga dalawa. Kasi pwede ako magluto ng ano. Ano yan? Isda. Masarap, oh. See? Yan. Yan ang kasiyahan. Ang kasiyahan ko. Ang kumain. Hindi yung mahanap ako ng jowa. Pagkatapos pasarap-sarap siya pagkain. Tapos ako gutom. Ako na lang makain. Alangan naman na ibibigay ko ang aking pera sa jowa ko. Tapos, pakain-kain sa restaurant. Pagkatapos ako, makain lang ako dito. Ako na lang maano ng ano ko. Ibigay ko na lang ang pera ko sa aking apo. Masiyahan pa ako. Na nabibigyan ko ang aking apo. Di ba? Pag patay na ako, maalala ako ng apo ko. Pero kung naging madamot ako sa apo ko, wala na ako. May nanakit ang aking apo. Yung ano ko, grandma ko, ang kunat noon. Pero mapagbigay sa iba. Mapagbigay sa iba, ha? Matulungin sa iba. pero makunat sa kanyang apo. Yang aking yang aking kapatid. Mapagbigay yan, matulungin yan. Matulungan yan. Sa iba. Pero hindi sa kapatid. Kaya yan. Kaya may patakaran ako. Pakainin ko ang aking pamilya, mga kapatid ko. Huwag lang sa ibang tao. Kasi, pagdating ng araw, sa totoo lang yan, ha? Real talk. Pag wala ka nang ipakain dyan, di ka nakilala. Pero ang pamilya, kahit papano, maalala ka niyan. Lalo kung wala ka na. Kaya, tingnan mo si Sander. Papa, papa, papa. Okay? Wala. Nanood kasi ako Rapid Tulpo in Action. Nainis ako doon sa matanda. Ilang taon na ano bang tawag nun? Nagpakaloko. Ngang wala na, iniwanan na siya at naghanap na naman ng ibang matanda na medyo maedad-edad, bata-bata pa. Hi, Insan. Yung yun? Yung Rapid Tulpo in Action, grabe. Matanda. Ay, matanda na. Mahilig pa sa bata. Yan ang kasiyahan ko, Insan. Kumain. Kanina, kumain ako ng nung pritong, ano ba yun? Kahapon yung natira ko ng yan, prinito ko, isda. Pakatapos, may kamatis, may brown rice ako. Yan. Ngayon, nasayang naman ako yung yung sweet rice ko. Dinuto ko. Mga anak ko na gusto ng sweet rice. Yan. Yan, sila. Makain yan. Nasaan kayo si Ate Ami ngayon? Tumawag ako hapon. Nasa biyahe. Mas punta daw sa dait. Kausap ko si Papa. Minsan-minsan. Sarap ng aking kain. Ng aking, ano yan? Dito gabi na insan. Diyan morning pa lang. Malapit na si Papa mag-birthday. Ano na? 98 na siguro siya. Ay, 98. Ano na si Papa? 80, 80, ano na? Ano na edad ni Papa? 88 na. 89. 89 na siguro. Matanda na si Papa, pero tingnan mo ha. Sa side ng San Andres, sa totoo lang, mahaba ang buhay ng mga tao. Sa side ni Mama, ano lang, 76 si Mama, wala na. Pero sa side ng, sa side ng Papa, tignan mo si Mababing. Labing 90, bago nawala. Ay, 96 na si Papa pala. Tingnan mo yan, ha? Si Mama Rory, 89. Wow, ang dali lang talaga. Tingnan mo yan, ha? Naalala ko yan si Mama Rory. Sinama ako sa nakaldakad kami. Hindi ko talaga, yan, anday ko malimutan. May lalaking yan doon sa sa daanan. May dyan may bakod. Tapos yung lalaki nakaupo dyan sa kalsada. Dyan sa parang may bakod dyan. Naglalakad kami ni Mama Rory. May nakita si Mama Rory'ng lalaki na tulog na kaganyan. Nakaganyan. Ang akala ni Mama Rory, yung naglilimos. Kaganyan. Binigyan ni Mama Rory ng parang 25 cents yun. Nang nagising yung lalaki. Tinignan niya daw si Pigeran. Ganyan. At hinabol kami ni Mama Rory. Iwan ko kung maalala pa yun ni Mama Rory. Ay, nagsisigaw kami ni Mama Rory. Mama Rory, dali, dali. Inaabot kami kanong lalaki. Ang akala namin, pulubi. Yan pala siguro, napatulog lang. At binigyan ng 25 cents. Parang 25 cents yun. Ay, galit na galit yung lalaki. Mabuti hindi kami naabutan. Kung naabutan kami, baka kung anong nangyari sa amin, baka binugbog kami. Dahil yan baka na-insulto dahil 25 cents. O, parang 25 cents yun Nung 80s. Tawang-tawa ako ay. Sisigaw ako. Yan. Mabuti may mga tao doon sa may tindahan. Kaya hindi na kami sinundan. Pero kung walang tao doon, baka talagang kami. Hindi kami tinantanan ng lalaki. Natawa talaga. Tapos ano yan, yan. Sinama ako ni Mama Rory sa kuyan, sa, ano yan, diba sa Port Santiago, alala ko pa yun. Nagduman sa baba, may ano dumin eh. Parang nakita ko doon si Rizal. Kung sa ano yan, kung sa, ano yan, sa doon sa Lunita, o doon sa Port Santiago. May mga ano doon. May, anong tawag nun? Yung, anuhan, ng, ano yan? Ng, yung ano yan? Ano ng, ano yan, parang preso. Pag na, ano na yung, ano yung tubig, na ano yung yung tao. Malalasi, ano yan, mamamatay. Iwan ko kung nandoon pa yun. Yan, hindi ko makalimutan. Tapos nagpunta kami sa ano, doon sa ano yan? Ano, kay Jose Rizal. So, ano yan? Lakad-lakad kami doon. Yun. Lakad-lakad kami. Yan, dahil hindi ko yun naalala. Ay, hindi ko yun na, ano yan. Naalala ko yun mga, anong yung time na yun. Yung, kasama ko noon. Mama Rory. Kaya, dali lang. Dali lang talaga. Ay, naku po. Ang dali lang ng panahon. Ang ano yan. Grabe, nung isang araw, sunod-sunod ang paglinis ko ng bahay. Yan, lininis ko. Tapos, kahapon, naglinis ako ng banyo. Nagano ako, nag-vacuum. Inano ko yung kwarto ko. Yung mga beddings ko, linabahan ko. Pagkatapos, yung ano ko, yung dyan sa ano, sa TV room. Yan. Tapos, nagano ko sa ano yan, sa banyo, sa tub. Linisan ko kagabi. Grabe. Gabi na, oh. Kaya nagpahinga muna ako. Kasi hindi pwedeng sunod-sunod ang, ano yan, ang paglinis. Ang ano yan, trabaho. Kailangan ko ng pahinga. Ma-over ang aking ano yan, lakas. Mauubos. Hindi na tayo bata. Kaya, pahinga muna. Pagkatapos niyan, kung ano na namang gawin ko. Ay, yung ano ko, yung mga sapatos ko. Na ano, tinignan ko doon sa ano ko, sa storage. Pag ang sapatos pala, hindi mo ano, ginagamit, nabubulok. Yung sapatos ko, lilinisan ko ngayon. Video ko. Ano na? Yung iba kong sapatos, hindi ko alam kung saan ko linagay. Baka nasa storage din. Kaya yung mga sapatos ko sa Pilipinas, na 7 kahon na door to door, ay wala na iyon. Hindi iwan ko ba kung bakit nag-ano ako ng mga door to door na ba, na ano yan, mga impake kong mga ano, mga box, ay mga sapatos. 7 kahon na sapatos, Diyos ko po. Siguradong sira na yun. Sayang. Kalain mo, putong kahon. Talagang ano yan. Kung kauwi ako, bubuksan ko yun. Ang iba, baka maibasura na. Yung mga ano yan, mga sapatos, siyempre ano na yan, naka-stack na. Pero ilang taon na. Kaya, dami kong mga gamit. Akala ko kasi noong mauwi na ako ng Pilipinas. Kasi gulong-gulo ang isip ko noon eh. Yan ang sinasabi. Na hindi ka nagpaplano. Kung ano lang naisipan mo, yan. Yan lang. Pero, ano yan? Hindi mo na-realize, mali palang ginagawa mo. Yan. Grabe, ang nasa akin na lang yung mga resibo nandito. Daming resibo. Hindi ko akalain, naabot ng ano. Pag nang nakita ko yung resibo ng mga pang door to door, oh my God. Nag-abot ng ano, 12,000 sa door to door lang. Pag unti-unti kang nagpapadala, hindi mo mamalisyahan yan. O parang okay lang kasi nagpadala kang 5 kahon, 7 kahon, 21 na kahon. Okay lang yan. Parang ano. Pero pag inano mo na, compute mo na lahat, ay Diyos ko po, magugulat ka. Tapos yung mga kahon, mga gamit mo, nabulok. Tapos yung iba, nawala. Doon sa, yung kinuha ni mamang ano yan, caretaker. Simula ng 2005 yun, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 8 taon. Yung iba ming gamit, nawala. Kasi ang akala nung dating caretaker, hindi namin maalala kung ano yung mga gamit na pinadala namin. Hindi alam na ano yan. May mga resibo kami. Kahit pa yan ilang kahon dyan sa Pilipinas, dahil may mga resibo kami, maalala mo yan. Maalala mo. Yun ang nangyari. Parang nagtapon ka lang ng pera. Sayang. Mga panghinanayang talaga. Grabe. Kaya, marirealize mo ang mga kamalian mo pag, ano yan, yan talaga nagkamali ka na. Pero kung mapira ka, hindi mo yun maalala. Pero pag wala ka ng pera, ay, maalala mo. Kaya, yan, ang sarap ng aking ano yan. Ang aking linuto. Ito, oh. Ano yan? Saging. Latik. Latik yan, oh. Latik. Tapos yung mga ano yan, oh. Mga anino ko, nabili kong ano yan, ganito. May mga butas. Kaya sayang. Yan ang ano yan. Nandito talaga. Gising pala. Gusto mong, you wanna eat? Inaano ko pa. Pinapatuyuan ko ng ano yan. Ng si Alec ang hindi nakain nito. Ng anak ko, na-try. Na-try. Nagbisita yung apo ko. Kahapon. Binisita si ano yan. Si grandma. Binitisa si grandma, binisita si grandma. Yan. Kaya lang, sandali lang yung ano namin, yung pag ano niya, yung pagbisita, kasi nga may ano sila, may okasyon. Ang paborito ko binutong. Kaya lang, paano ang paggawa ng binutong? Salap. Salap. Hindi ako narinig ng inaanak ko. May ano kasi sa tainga. Hindi ako maririnig. Habang nag-iedad pala ng isang tao, nagbabago ang taste ng damit. Ng damit. Nagbili ng damit. Pajama. Kaya purple ang kulay. Purple. So, pwede pa tong ano yan, pwede pa itong hugasan at gawing ano yan, iano sa ano yan, yung isda. Paborito kang Rapi Tulfo in action. Diba? Minsan lang ako nakain ng ganito. Good morning, everyone. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Election pala. Daming nag-ano sa eleksyon. Ang battery ko ay ano na. Mamatay na. Kaya pag nawala na. At ako ay may gagawin din. Ako ang ang cook. Tinatry ko ang aking linuluto. Wala na akong dahon. Parang ano yan, Sunday. Pero ano pala ngayon? Alexa, what day today?
October 21st, 2024 was on a Monday.
Kaya mo Monday? Kada mo Sunday? Kunin ko muna yung aking telepono. Para tapos na. Okay. Dali lang ng oras. Grabe. Ano na naman pala. Flu shots. Flu shots na naman. No shots. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. May nahanap ako. Wala. Sunod-sunod ang aking ano yan. May hinahanap ako. Wala. Excuse me. Grabe. Grabe. Matindi. Allergy. Ano naman kasi ngayon? Yung tinatawag na nagano ako, yung sa heater. Ay. Nasaan ang ano yan? Nahanap ko yung ano ko sa email ko. Kaya lang hindi pa dumadating. Bakit kaya? Puno na kasi itong cellphone ko. Kailangan ko ng ano yan.
can I speak to Thomas, please?
This is him. Who's it?
Thomas, what's up, man? This is Jubal from Brook and Jubal in the morning.
Who's that?
Brook and Jubal in the morning. It's a radio show.
Okay.
You ever listened to us before?
Nah, I don't do mornings really.
I don't blame you.
I don't
I am
do-
so jealous of that.
Man.
You are a good person.
Yeah, seriously, you got to figure it out. I'm so tired of
Yeah.
waking up this early. Well,
Did I link something? What's going on?
no, you didn't. We do a segment on our show. It's called the Second Date Update. That's where if you go out on a date with somebody and then end up not calling them back after, they can email us to see if we can get you on the phone and find out what happened. So somebody emailed us about you.
Oh, that sounds like a lot of work.
It is a lot to get a hold of somebody, but it's usually because they really liked the person.
Any idea who would have emailed us?
I don't know, dude.
Are you awake right now, Thomas?
I mean, I don't want to be, but I am now.
Okay,
I
sorry,
wanna
man.
be.
I'm right there with you.
Is this gonna take, how long is this gonna take?
It shouldn't take more than a few minutes, in case you're busy or whatever. But,
I just want to go back to sleep.
well, do you remember going out with a girl named Kelsey?
Probably.
Probably.
Probably? Oh my
Do
god.
you remember her or no?
Yeah, I remember.
Okay.
What's up?
Well, Kelsey emailed us because she told us about your date. And she said that you guys went for a walk, stopped by the grocery store, and she invited you to the movies. And that's when you...
Yeah, it was a lot. It was a lot.
It was a lot?
It was a lot?
What was a lot about it? The walk or the grocery store?
All of it. It was, anyway, so what do you
Oh
need?
my god,
Well,
Thomas, you just
Kelsey,
did
Kelsey wants to know why you're not calling her back.
Oh, gosh.
Thomas!
Can you tell us why?
I guess. It was just like, she wanted to do so much stuff.
What do you mean? She thought she was too boring for you. She thought that a walk in a grocery store was like lame and that you were looking for more excitement. That's why.
Who walks? That's why they invented cars and Ubers. Why do we have to walk? It was so much.
Okay, so it's not that you were bored on the date, you just didn't want to walk. Pretty much.
No, I didn't want to do, and then after the walking, it was the random restaurant, and then the grocery store, and then I had to carry her groceries, and then I had to help her put the groceries up, and then after all of that, on top of that, she was like, oh yeah, let's go see a movie. I'm like, oh my god, I just did more work than I've done all week. I don't want to do any more things. And it was so late, dude. It was like 8 o'clock or something. It was so late. I don't like it.
Wait, Thomas, I mean, you're concentrating a lot on the things that you did on the date, but what about her? Did you enjoy hanging out with her? She said she was laughing a ton.
Smiling a lot.
I mean, she was cool. It was just, she does too much, man. I'm not an outdoorsy dude who likes to do all this. I feel like she would go hiking, and that sounds terrible.
Okay, so if I'm reading this correctly, you just feel like she likes to do way too much.
I mean, I'm sure she'll find someone who likes to do stuff with her, and that's awesome. But I just don't, if I didn't have to leave the house, I would not leave the house.
Why are you even dating then, Thomas? Dating requires you to do stuff.
It doesn't, though. Dating, you drive to a place, you eat dinner at a place, and then that's it. And then maybe you go back and you watch Netflix or Hulu or something. It's not, I don't know. She wanted to do so many things, and I'm not that kind of dude.
All right. Well, at least you know what you want.
You're boring.
Oh, you should have told her that though, Thomas. She did not.
Yeah, but then I'd have to meet up again, and we'd probably have to go on another walk to explain why I don't like going on walks.
You don't want to walk.
Effort. Well,
Wow.
Thomas, I know that this is probably going to be hard for you to deal with, but Kelsey is on the other line and wants to talk to you for a minute.
Oh my God, you guys are the worst.
Kelsey, you're still there?
Yeah, hey.
Hey, what's up?
I can't believe this is the complete opposite what I thought was going on. I thought she didn't like me because I was boring, but you don't want to do anything? the whole point of like going out with someone is to like get to know them while doing an activity.
Yeah, but you wanted to do so many activities. Like, if we just did 2 activities, that's it for the day.
For the day.
You get a morning activity, you get a night activity, and that's it. But you wanted...
What are your activities? Just Netflix?
I mean, and that and like a good bowl of soup.
Thomas, all of us was like one walk to the place that we were going to. Like, that was it. Just one. It was not that extreme.
Yeah, but why would you want to walk? Like, are we cavemen? Like, all you have to do is call an Uber. We could have saved so much time. And then my leg was tired. I was like out of breath. Like, our body's not used to this type of activity.
Your body isn't used to going on a short walk to a restaurant.
Not anymore. We're past that.
Thomas!
How
you
old
said that
are
workout
you?
exercise would make you feel better, it'd give you more energy, it made...
I don't think it did any of that.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And the thing is, I'm happy with my life. I'm doing fine. Like, I don't know why you're trying to like change me into some LA fitness jogging jock.
Oh my god.
Hey, man, if you're happy doing you, then just keep doing that. But I think, you know, it doesn't sound like Kelsey's that demanding, really.
And it sounds like you guys had a nice connection and that you could be missing out on something possibly pretty special.
I don't know. I just want someone more my speed. I feel like she's too extra. She's always like this, bam, bam, bam. And I just want one bam.
What? I do normal things that normal people do that walk places and who, like, literally use their body. It's not that difficult.
I use my body to press the Uber button. That's enough.
Thomas, you sound like a human sloth, is what you sound like.
I'm okay with that.
Oh, well, you know.
Sloths are adorable.
Sloths are
They're
pretty
pretty
cute. I'll give you that
cute.
much. Thomas, would you like to go out on a second date with Kelsey? We'll pay for it. I mean, you don't even have to leave the house. I'll just send you a gift card to Netflix or something.
Get food delivery for you, Thomas?
I mean, I don't know. I feel like she'll trick me into doing something outside. I don't know, dude. I'm kind of cool.
Hold on, this is ridiculous. Like, I'm not forcing you to do anything. We took a short walk, and I asked if you wanted to go to the movies. You're so.
I know, but now you call the radio on me. Like, I feel like you go a lot of steps towards like, and that's cool. But now you only like one step.
Honestly, Thomas, like, I thought I was being the boring one, and that's why you weren't calling me back, but you're the boring one. I definitely don't want to be with someone who's that lazy.
Oh.
Thank God.
Thank God, okay.
The biggest relief Thomas has had all day.
He's like, can
All
I
right.
now get off the phone? That's what you've been wanting this whole time.
Kelsey,
Can I go back to sleep now, or?
yeah, 1 second. We'll let you go there. I just
Oh,
want
my
to say
God.
thank you for your time, Thomas. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks, radio guy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Sorry to make you work so much this morning. Go back to sleep.
Hello?
Yeah, can I speak to Thomas, please?
This is him. Who's it?
Thomas, what's up, man? This is Jubal from Brook and Jubal in the morning.
This is ridiculous.
Who's that?
A person is
If you don't know Jesus,
I can't believe it. Okay. God bless everyone. Thank you.